Hello, this is Dimapur 24/7. We are present here at District and Sessions Court here, Dimapur, and today was the final hearing about the case of HPZ token scams. So this case is about a person named Mr. Bhupesh Arora. He has scammed thousands of people, multiple people, and then the scam amount, the total amount leads up to almost 2,200 crore plus. And then he has fled the country. He is in Dubai now. He has been missing the summons of ED, and he's been like missing the summons of the law agencies, and he's like completely like left India and fled away to Dubai. And in this case, we got the news that he has scammed people from all over India, Northeast, and especially Nagaland. Even from Nagaland, people were there who invested in his company on his bogus and fake company, where he under pretext of giving huge returns and double returns, people invested in his money and they got scammed. So on this case, today was the final hearing at a District and Sessions Court. So to give more importance and light on the case, we will talk with Advocate Mr. Y P Gupta, who is representing the state here and the victims of the people of Nagaland. We'll talk to him and we'll find out the details.
PMLA case, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, against 299 accused. And among all the accused, Bhupesh Arora was the main accused, and he fled to Dubai. We have taken all our efforts to bring him in India and face the trial. However, he is awaiting his arrest, and since 497 crore property has been seized. So as such, we have issued 6 summons to appear before the investigating officer, but since he was not arresting, even the High Court has given a direction to cooperate the investigating officer, but he is not coming and cooperating. Even the Special Court on 2 occasions has directed to appear in person, but since he was not appearing, so we have filed a case under Fugitive Economic Offender to declare him as a Fugitive Economic Offender. The moment he will be declared as a Fugitive Economic Offender, then the property which was seized, that will be confiscated to the government of India.
So sir, as I was going with the case, like I found out like the Bhupesh Arora was, if he has been like declared as a fugitive, I think he will be the most, the 4th place or something like that in the eastern part of India's Mehul Choksi or the previous cases which we have already witnessed in India.
See, in earlier occasion also, a criminal like Vijay Malia and other persons have already declared fugitive economic offender who have run away from the country and not facing the trial. In the same process, even Bhupesh Arora, this case is, we are expecting that this case is always 2,200 crores so far. So it is not less than a Vijay Malia's and the other accused case. It is similar to that. And we are expecting that today or sooner or later he will come before us. He will face the consequence, and since if he have cheated the poor peoples, and especially as you know that FIR was lodged in Nagaland in cybercrime where many innocents, our peoples from Nagaland was also cheated very badly. It's more than crore money has been cheated with a assumption that if they invest their money in their HPZ token apps, then they will get a high return. And suddenly, although in 1 or 2 occasions they got the money, and in this way they brought all the investors, and suddenly one day they have closed the apps. Okay. And the whereabout is not known.
Sir, I want to ask this question because you have already mentioned like they have cheated, and as per the record, like Nagaland has more than 600 crores been looted from our state. So is there any policies or any act being presented by ED? They are leading it, they are doing the investigation. Is there any process of getting that amount, at least a minimum amount, to the persons who have been affected with this case?
See, once the money is confiscated, the central government, they may come with an idea to refund some money to the genuine victimized people. We are working on that, conclusion that once let's see if the money has been confiscated to the treasury of government of Nagaland, and we'll see the genuine investors or genuine victimized people from Nagaland or from any parts. They will. We are planning to give some portion to them as per their victimized.
So how will we getting the information on how it is proceeding with this case?
No, see, in that case, the government will come forward with some idea that if the money is confiscated and the genuine victim peoples, innocent peoples are there, actually this is their money. This is their money which was looted by some individuals. So it is for the government also to collect the money, seize the money, and to distribute among the genuine victimized people.
So last question, like similar to this HPZ token, we have seen a lot of websites and have been installed in our places, and there is any proceedings and any provisions or like be precautions being prepared by the government of India or by the ED to prevent this kind of website or might be the app to be launched in future that they cannot loot in future too?
See, it is always advisable. People should be aware. I request even the NGOs, they should come forward with new ideas, and they should say that the innocent people, they should not invest money which is not authenticated. These days you will see, even when we call someone in a mobile, you find one message that if you get any unwanted call, if you get any call to share the OTP and this we should not disclose. So government is taking many initiatives to prevent all those things so that the innocent people should not be suffered. And it is also the duty of every individual also to be aware, and we should not become under the clutches of such type of fraudulent people.
So I have one question. As you are trying to declare him an economic fugitive, and once if it's declared and if he's not willing to come back to India, is there a treaty or is there a pact with Dubai that we can extract him back?
No, see, actually, the Fugitive Economic Offender, this act comes in 2018. And since you have seen so many people, they have run away from the country.
Yes.
So the basic object of this act to declare him as a economic offender, what we call in Hindi Bhagora.
Yes.
Bhagora. Once they will be declared fugitive economic offender Bhagora, then we'll take thereafter the other things will come out for confiscation of the property that will come.
Okay. Thank you so much.